Hello everyone. So today we will going to start with your course book. So from this book we will start with your poem What Can You Do? So here the poet has asked us a question, that here it means that you are being asked a question by the poet, that you, as you all know, that this poem is based on your environmental issue. So here the poet is asking you that what are the solutions and what are the contribution that you can make, that you can give to make your environment clean and green. So here the poet is asking you a question, that what can you do? So you have to read a poem about our environmental responsibility. As I told you that this poem is mainly about the environment and the problems related to it. So here what is there? The earth is in dire need of care as it is being polluted. These poems tell us how little step from everyone will go a long way towards making the earth clean and green again. So here the meaning of dire is it is in complete need. So the earth needs what? It's earth needs our care. Care in what sense? That how we can make the earth clean and green. Because nowadays what is happening? It is getting polluted. And how it is getting polluted? Like burning of polythene bags, right? So and using of private vehicles as they emits smoke, harmful smokes. So the poet is telling us that if we contribute little step, means if we will contribute even a small thing, then it will be a helpful for the environment, and it will be a helpful for the earth to remain clean and green. So let's begin with the first stanza. When you see litter in the street and the air smell of pollution, when you feel like it's all piling up, remember there is a solution. So here in the first stanza the poet is asking, litter means when you see things scattered. Scatter means fella hua. So what he says, that when you see garbage scattered in the street and the air smell, you must have seen when the garbage are there in the roads or in this street, and they are piled up, they are collected at one place, the smell starts coming from it. So the poet is saying that when we see piling up means when your garbage gets collected at one place. So the poet is saying that it's not the thing that you should ignore. Here the poet wants to say, the poet wants to convey you that we should remember the solution instead of ignoring it. Then in the second stanza what he says, there's something each of us can do to keep the rivers clean, to keep the fresh the air we breathe, and keep the forest green. So here in the second stanza, the poet says that there's something each of us can do. Means here the poet is showing his hope that as a human being we can contribute to make the earth healthy, clean, and green. And what he says, not only the earth, how we can make it clean? By cleaning the rivers, and the air by making the air pure. And how we can make the air pure? By planting new trees. Instead of doing deforestation, we should plant more and more trees, because from trees we get fresh air that we breathe to live on the earth. And keep the forest green. And how we can keep the forest green? Only when you will going to grow more and more trees, and you will avoid deforestation, means when you avoid cutting down of trees. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles and cans. Learn about the problems we face and help others understand. So, if you see in the third stanza, the poet is saying that if you see, when you go to the seaside, there also some litters are there scattered all over. So, there also you should help. And bottles like Pepsi bottles and your bottles that is a wastage that you can recycle, means here you can reuse them instead of throwing in the dustbin or on the roads. You should recycle it, means you should reuse it. Learn about the problems we face and help other understand. And the poet is saying that once you see the problem that we are facing, like nowadays what is happening, due to pollution we are not able to get fresh air, and because of that we are getting more disease. So the poet is saying that when we see these problems we should try to understand that what are the reason for all these problems, and we should help each other. It doesn't have to be a lot if we each just do our share. So take time out on Earth Day to show the earth you care. And he's saying, the poet is saying that it is not that we have to give our complete time. Only if you take out some time for the earth to make it clean, then also it will be a then also it will be enough for you. And each means here again, if we each just do our share. And he's saying if we will not depend on others, that if one will clean the environment, only then we will clean the environment. Here he wants to say that we should be responsible for our own duty, that how one can contribute to make the earth clean and green. And he says that on Earth Day, as you all know, that 22 April means it is the Earth Day. In this day, on this day, we used to celebrate Earth Day. So the poet says that on Earth Day, you should take out your time from your busy schedule to show the earth that you care for the earth, that you pay attention to its beauty, so that you can make your earth clean, green, and healthy in which we live. So this is the poem about mainly about your environment and the problems related to the environment that we face nowadays. So I hope you must have understood. So go through the poem, learn it, and read the poem well.